In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy Forex on Pepperstone. To get started, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone trading account on your preferred platform. This could be MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or TradingView. Once you are inside the platform, go to the area where tradable instruments are listed. Depending on the platform you are using, this section may be called Market Watch, Watch List, or Symbols. From there, search for the Forex pair you want to trade. For example, you might choose a major pair like EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or USD/JPY. When you find the currency pair you want, select it so you can prepare the trade. Next, open the order window. On some platforms, you will see a button labeled New Order. On others, you may see Trade or simple buy and sell options. Click the appropriate option to bring up the trade entry screen. Once the order window is open, choose the order type you want to use. If you want to enter the market right away at the current price, select a market order. If you want the trade to open only when price reaches a specific level, you can choose a pending order instead. Pick the option that matches your trading plan. After that, enter your trade size or volume. This determines how large your position will be, so make sure you choose an amount that fits your risk level and account balance. Take a moment here to confirm that the volume is correct before moving on. You can then set a stop loss and take profit level if you want to manage risk automatically. The stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against you. A take profit closes the trade automatically once your target price is reached. These settings are optional, but many traders use them to stay disciplined. Before placing the trade, review all of the order details carefully. Check the currency pair, order type, position size, and any stop loss or take profit levels you entered. If everything looks correct, click Buy to place your Forex trade. Once your order is submitted, your position will appear in the Open Trades or Positions section of the platform. From there, you can monitor how the trade is performing in real time. When you are ready to exit, close the position manually, or let your stop loss or take profit handle it automatically if those levels are reached. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.